How to install ChatGPT for Google Docs. Let's get started. Launch your Google Docs. You will land to this kind of page. Now open the document where you want to add ChatGPT. After you open the document, now over here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of extensions. Click on it. Click on the option of add-ons. Now click on the option of get add-ons. A new window will pop up. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there you have to type in GPT for Slides Docs. Once it appears, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on this extension, GPT for Workspace. Now go ahead and click on the option of install. Now select the Gmail account where you want to add this extension. Click on continue. Go through all these terms and conditions, scroll all the way down and click on allow. Now click on next, click on done, and just with that you have added this extension to your Google Docs. Now go ahead and click on this option of extensions, and over here you'll find this extension. Just click on it, and just with that at the right corner of your screen you will be able to find the ChatGPT. Now from here you can easily use the ChatGPT. So this is how you can easily install ChatGPT for Google Docs. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.